idea. I want to have a cat.
A cat? Why?
Yes, a cat. There is no pet like a cat.
What do you need a cat for?
I will feed it, love it. I will take care of it. If only I had a cat.
Okay, what kind of cat would you like to have?
I haven't decided yet.
So let's go to the cats gallery and choose a nice cat.
Jellicle cats, come out tonight.
Jellicle cats, come one, come all.
The Jellicle moon is shining bright.
Jellicles, come to the Jellicle ball. Jellicle cats are black and white.
Jellicle cats are rather small.
Jellicle cats are merry and bright.
And pleasant to hear when they catrol.
Jellicle cats have cheerful faces.
Jellicle cats have bright black eyes.
They like to practice the eyes and graces.
And wait to the Jellicle moon to rise.
Oh dear, look! Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere.
They're such wonderful cats.
There is a girl with a look of surprise, as much as to say, how about that?
Do I actually see with my own very eyes a girl who's not heard of a Jellicle cat?
What's a Jellicle cat?
I'm the random tiger, a curious cat. If you put me in a house, I would much prefer a flat. If you put me in a flat, I'd rather have a house. If you set me on a mouse, I'd the only on the red. If you set me on a red, I'd rather choose a mouse. I will do, yes, I will do.
I am bomb ballerina, the best ballerina. When on the family and bed and asleep, I take up my skirts to the basement to creep. I am deeply concerned of the ways of the mind.